Welcome to tcast.hostso.com. Still working on lap 1. For this task, we're gonna globalize the PSTN incoming calls, and then we're gonna localize back the PSTN numbers. We should be able to dial the missed call from the directory in E164 format. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this started. Right now, let me go ahead and test something real quick here for you. Let me turn on my debugs. Something with branch 1. Okay, so let's test with the headquarter phone real quick here. So say PSTN New York calling to headquarter phone 1. Let's see what the number coming in has. So 394, this is local call to the phone 1 5001. Okay, it's dialing, and you see it's the calling number is coming in has a local 7-digit number. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna globalize this number to +1212 coming in. Same with the international, everything gonna be plus coming in has a calling numbers, and that's also with international too. So let me go ahead and test all 3 numbers and let you see it. Okay, so we already called local. Now it's gonna be national call from Boston to headquarter. So redial that. Okay, and you see this number right here. So we're gonna globalize this with a +1 in front of it. Okay, so next I may call from Spain coming in. Okay, and there's gonna be a plus in front of this guy right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and work on that. First thing we need to do is we're gonna go to call manager. We're gonna hit on device, go to your gateway, and it'll bring you here. So I have 2 MCCP gateway for headquarter and branch 1. Doesn't matter which one I start up first. I'm gonna go to, since branch 1 on top, I'm gonna work on that first. So you need to go scroll down to where it say incoming calling party setting, and for national you want to do a +1 here, and for international you want to do a plus, and for subscriber, which is a local call, so you want to globalize that as 1617 for branch 1. 1617. Okay, save that and make sure you reset that also. Okay, reset that, close it, go to your router branch 1 and do a no MCCP MGCP. Okay, then you're gonna go to the gateway for headquarter, and you're gonna do the same thing, but gonna be a different number for local call because both of them have different error code. So national gonna be +1, international just a plus, subscriber is +1617 1212. Okay, save it and reset it, and then go to your router and do a no mgcp, okay, and clear all this up and do a do show ISDN status. Okay, to command chair and multi-frame, that's what I'm looking for. So I know this guy's up, and see this guy. Okay, this guy should be ready to, headquarters should be ready. Do show ISDN status. Okay, look like it's not up yet. So do a show one more time. It should come in up. Nope, still wait for a little bit. Sometimes it can take a little bit here with the router. So there you go, this is what we're looking for. And this guy. Okay, clear the screen. Okay, now if we were to bring back the phones, and let me go ahead and clear all this. Okay, so if we call again, we're gonna see the plus whatever, the whole thing right here look like this, plus 1212 coming in. So let's test again. New York, redial. You see the whole plus number here is being globalized. Okay, and we're gonna do the same thing for Boston, redial. There we go, everything in E164 format. Spain, right there. Okay, so so that worked for this guy. You can see right here also in the directories. Let's go ahead and do one. I want the missed call also showing branch 1 phone also. So I'm gonna call branch 1 local call, start with Boston first. 863-1001. There we go. Globalizing the number. National call. National call and international call. There we go. And we have it all right here. Okay. So the next thing is we try to call those missed call back. So for example, right now, if I were to try to dial even my local number, try to call back the local PSTN right here, it won't do it.
Your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please consult your direct.
You see that? And so now we're gonna work on that, so make sure it can call the missed call. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make some let's go ahead and localize back those number. So we're gonna make some partition. So right here, so we're gonna be because we have two sides. I don't want them to share partition like these guys where both of them share. So I'm gonna make specifically a partition for each headquarter and branch 1. I'm gonna call it localize partition HQ localize. I say you can name whatever you like. I want partition VR1 localize. So okay, So I need to go to my calling search page and add it in to the phone CSS. This is headquarter. And we need one for branch 1. And we need to make some route patterns for it after that. Let's go ahead and work on the local numbers. So we're gonna do a backslash. We're gonna do plus 1 2 1 2, and we're gonna dot and the 7-digit with is 7x 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and the partition we're gonna put is head partition headquarter localize, and we're gonna put in go into their own local gateway, and we can check here if you know if you don't want to wait for the interdigit timeout when you press that dial on a missed call. And we're gonna check here, so we're gonna use the external phone mask right here. This whole thing gonna be sent out instead of the extension. Then right here we're gonna make sure it's a subscriber PSTN, and then we're gonna pre-dot it and gonna do the same thing, subscriber and ISTN, save. Those are optional, you don't have to do what you want. I just do it so I can recognize which one locals, which one national and stuff like that. I'm gonna make a copy. I'm gonna do that for branch 1, which is 1617, and okay, sorry about that, had to pause the video, had to do something, but anyway, we finished for branch 1 local. So save it, then we're gonna go ahead and be right back again. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and work on our national, which is gonna be a plus we're gonna make backslash plus, and we're gonna do a 1, and then we're gonna backslash plus dot 1, and then bracket 229 xx bracket 229 and another 6x for American National Call. So the only thing we're gonna change is down here. This is optional, but I'm gonna do it so I know it's going out this route pattern when it's dial back the national call. So save it, and gonna make copy and do one for headquarter and save it. Then now we just need to work on our international. There's a lot of way of doing it, but you know, whatever's work for you, you know, you don't have to follow my way, you know, just to learn what. But you know, as long as you learn, you know, understand how to do it, you know, that's good. But you know, this is how I do my way, you know. I'll come make a copy and go ahead and work on international, which is gonna be the BAM. So the only thing gonna change is down here, national, and gonna go ahead and take this out because for some reason it's conflict. When I put this, try to dial back the missed call with it. It's only sent like 4 digit out, but because I don't have a hard phone here to test also, so I don't know if it's the soft phone or something going on with it. But if I do another way, it'll work with urgent priority check. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and leave the digit timeout, and it's gonna go ahead and route it out anyway. So save it and make a copy, and go ahead and do one for localize it. Okay, go ahead and save it. So let me double check my list, see everything is correctly. I have one of each. Okay, so now it's time to test. So I'm gonna test headquarters first, and to see if it's gonna ring. Okay, first thing is local number, dial. Alright, it's ring. Okay, there we go. This is our calling number from extension file 1 phone, headquarters phone 1, and we dial locally to our PSTN New York number. Okay, so next we're going to try to reach this guy, national call. We'll go ahead and clear it, and we're gonna click on this guy, dial. Yep, this went through. And right here, national call. Okay, so last one, we're gonna go ahead and test our international, which is Spain. This guy, gonna try to ring this guy. Okay, hit dial, and we're gonna wait for a couple seconds before it's ring out. Like I explained earlier, I can do another way of the route pattern and click on urgent priority, and it'll send through.
Your call cannot be completed as dialed.
Okay, so it's give me an error, but it does send. Oh, forgot one number. Oop. Yep, I forgot one number. Go back to my international for headquarters, and forgot add the access code for international call, which is 011 for United States. Okay, save it. Go back to branch 1, make a change on that, and 1. So see, sometimes you have to know to read your debug. That's a good thing also. So try to learn to read your debug. It will help you out a lot, what's going on, when you have a problem. So that's anyway, we're gonna retry to dial the Spain number. Dial, and give it a couple seconds. It'll go through. I guarantee this time, or else you get your money back. Okay, so any minute now. There, it's ring. Okay, there you go. We have our international access code and the Spain number. Okay, so headquarters work, and we're gonna go ahead and test branch 1 phone now. Branch 1 phone, and I'm gonna call a local. Okay, went through. Like I say, if headquarters work, branch 1 should work, because both are in the United States and they're using this, the same route pattern format. So, but anyway, just for our test purposes, national, and dial to New York City PSTN. and 2. See, phone 1, or call number from phone 1, and national call. Okay, and last and finally, our international call. Okay, any minute now. There you go. Okay, so that's pretty much it. The other way I would do it, if I don't want to wait for it. Like I say, if I click this, there's something going on with the soft phone. It's only sent out like the access code and then a 3 after that, and then it'll die out on me. But if I were to rewrite it, I would do if I want to make it work, quickly instead of waiting, I could just specifically do backslash plus backslash plus dot 34, and then bracket 129 bracket x, and then bracket 129 xxx, as long as it have enough digit to call out to Spain, that will work also. There's a lot of way to do it, but like I say, just test it out, see what way it work for you. As long as you can call back the missed call from the directory, and it's good. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you follow up for the next video. Thank you for watching.